You are watching Make It Smarter, where you will find middle school math and science tutorials. Welcome to this tutorial on order of operations and introduction. Here you can see we have a very basic equation with two operations, adding and dividing. And we could approach this question two different ways. One way would be to start work from left to right. We can do 21 plus 9. 21 plus 9 is 30, and then we divide by 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So I'm going to copy this question, copy the equation over to the right so that we can work on over here. So there's another way of approaching this question. We could start by doing the division first, which would be 9 divided by 3, which is 3. And then we could just add it to the 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. Which way is correct? This is where order of operations comes into play. Mathematicians have had to come upon agreed order. If we don't have an agreed order, we're going to get all of our answers wrong. So the agreed order is that we always start with parentheses and brackets. Parentheses would look like this. This would look like this. These are brackets. And there are other ways of representing this as well. But the point is, any math that is inside parentheses or brackets has to be completed first. After parentheses and brackets comes exponents. So here on the right of exponents, I've given you some examples. We have 4 exponent 2, 4 exponent 3, and 4 exponent 4, and so on. I'm not going to get into exponents right now and how they work, but if they come in an equation, they must be completed second after parentheses and brackets. And then we divide or multiply if they're equal. And then we add or subtract. They are also equal. So if we go back to the original equation, 21 plus 9 divided by 3, we've got addition and we've got division. So if we're following this order of operations, we've got to do the division first. So 9, that would be here. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then we do the adding and subtracting, which gives us 24. So this would be the correct answer. Here is another equation, a little more complex than the previous one, with an additional operation. Here we have multiplication, division, and addition. And we also have these parentheses or brackets. So according to the order of operations, we need to start with the math inside the parentheses or brackets. So it's 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. And then we're going to rewrite the rest of the equation in the same order with the same operations. So 12 times 2, and now divided by 2. Now, if we go again to the order of operations, it states that division and multiplication are equal to each other. So we got multiplication and we got division. So if this occurs in an equation, you always work from the left to the right. So we're going to start over here and work our way this direction because they're equal. So let's do that. Let's do this 12 times 2, which is 24. And then we're going to just rewrite this, divide by 12. And 24 divided by 12 is 2. At this point, I would like you to pause the tutorial, answer the equation, and check your answer. All right, according to order of operations, we need to start here in the parentheses, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. And I'm going to rewrite the rest of the equation exactly as it is, 30 divided by 5 multiplied by 8. And according to order of operations, division and multiplication are equal. So I'm going to do whatever comes first, working from left to right. I'm going to do 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And I'm going to rewrite my multiplied by 8. 6 times 8 is 48.